This is the Ekouaer women's sleeveless jumpsuit. It's got pockets. It is so roomy and comfy. I love it. I love it for loungewear, for running errands, for traveling, you name it. Spaghetti straps are adjustable, really low all around, so I highly recommend wearing a tank top or a t-shirt under it. Really big pockets, really low drop. I got a medium, which is my true size, and this is how it fits. I'm 5'8", so it's a bit short. You can also roll it up for a different look. You can also do like a one shoulder look, kind of fun. You can size up if you want it like really huge, but I like it this size. It's almost like a lightweight sweatshirt material, if that makes sense. More than a t-shirt material. Really, really soft. Easy care, just throw it in the washer dryer. So nice, super easy. So roomy and stretchy, gonna be great for travel, long car trips, overnight flights. So comfy, cute, tons of colors to choose from. I love it, and I know you will too.